Guys, I am on with an Anna Griffin mystery box for, I guess, September or August. It's 40 bucks, 39.97 or whatever, so 40. And then, so I'm going to show you what's in it. You let me know. This is another one of those. I canceled the graphic 45 because I was like, I don't think so. So, I think I'm happy with this one. Have I used the last one I got? Nope. Okay, anywho, I felt like the first one I got was the best one, and so, anyway. So, I have enough memo pads. Holy camole. There's 500 in here. Let's see if they're sticky. Yep, okay, that's good. Anyway, I don't know. Anyway, not that excited about that. And then reply card, enclosure card, or map card. Coordinating pieces and embellishments sold separately. Oh. So let's... What? Oh. Mix and batch. So to make an invitation, I guess? So... Oh, these come apart. Yeah, no, not that excited about that either. So far, not happy. Yes, I've looked at this stuff, but I unpacked it, so I wasn't sitting there. I like these cute thank you cards, and they come with the envelopes, and then they're blank on the inside. I really like these, so I'm happy with those. Thank you card and envelopes, 2010. So it's, they're clearing out there. Which is what a mystery box is, I guess. Let's see. 8 thank you cards. Okay. But then we get to the dies. And that's really what we're all here for, right? At least that's why I get it. And this one I'm really excited about. This one is the tunnel card dies. And this is what they can make. And this is what the pieces are that come with it. And I believe there's more probably. Let's see if there's more inside. That doesn't seem like enough. Just saying. Oh, yeah. Okay. I was like, oh my god, I only got part of something. Anyway, I cleaned up a little bit around here. I have so much stuff just out. I'm behind on my haul videos because things arrived. I've been shopping and I was sick, and it's like, anyway. That was annoying, I know, and I apologize. Okay. Okay. All right, now we're talking. So it shows you how to make it, which Diamond Press is good about that too. This is really cool. I really like this. But I went to my trailer this afternoon, spent a couple hours, went for a nice walk. Feeling better each day, so thank goodness for that. And then this is the other pieces. So you can do different... That's really cool. So yes, I'm happy with that. Thank you, Anna Griffin there. That's probably worth the 40 right there, because her dies are expensive. Next one, I'm not sure. I don't know. The concept is cool. It's called the Advent Calendar dies, and this is what it makes. Yeah. What do you... Oh, so you put little pictures. Okay. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. It'd be cool just for flip up for anything, really. Not just... And it comes on a magnetic sheet. That's cool. How do I get into it? Come on, baby. Okay, well, I don't think there's any other die. I don't think I need to open it anyway. Fun for the girls. That would be fun to make. So you get these... number dies, so you can do whatever. I mean, you could do an advent calendar for Halloween, which I bought the girls. I like these. So yeah, I think this is... What does that do? A hinge? Oh, it's probably a hinge. Well, what the heck? Come on, Kim, open it up. Plug your ears. I'm taking it out of the plastic. Alert, alert, enabler alert. I did that yesterday on my short because HSN had free shipping yesterday. So somebody said, I'm trying not to watch this. Don't tell me this. Okay, so that's cool. You get the magnetic. Let's see what it... Anyway, I like to enable people. That's what we do here on... Okay, so... Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. What are these little hinges? Okay. Okay, see, that is a hinge. All right. Apply adhesive, flip over. Okay. Yeah, so there's that. Okay, so that is my Anna Griffin. That's all in the mystery box. Leave me a comment below. Do you think I got my money's worth? But before I start, I still have, I call it brain fog, from the COVID. That's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. Anyway, Judy McIntyre. Hi, Judy. Oh, God, I love her. She made me this card. Is this not Judy, she and I talked on the phone today. Such a sweetheart. And this is called, oh man, I looked it up. And now the names come. Eclipse card, where you have this layer, any kind of layer. And you print, she said you print it, and then you print it again. Anyway, oh my gosh. Look at, but she's so precise and so good at this. So Judy, you're so sweet. And then with that came a little Band-Aids memo. Cute. Cha-chap. Oh, I wonder if this is from Daiso. Maybe? I don't know. And then this is, first I thought it said AZ Master Layout. It's an A2. And she shared this with me. Isn't that cool? Thank you, Judy. And she made these. I have the wax. We were talking on the phone and I went and got my wax melt equipment. I have a box of the stuff. Because, that's what I do. Have I used it yet? She goes, you need a silicone that has the different size circles. I go, oh, I have that, Judy. I have a few. And I have this and I have this. So now I need to get going. I'm intimidated by it. But she made some, and these are just adorable. They're Winnie the Pooh. Oh my God, she knows I love Winnie the Pooh. I used to have a coworker, and her son reminded me. I didn't tell him that, but he looked like Winnie the Pooh. Anyway, and then this is a flower and she used a glue gun and just the wax, glue gun wax. Isn't that cool? Judy, you're so talented. So, of course, being that she's such a generous soul, she gave me this Winnie the Pooh wax melt. What is that called? Handle. Form. I don't know. I'm not good on the names. So, Judy, I love you. You're so sweet. She is a good friend. I really appreciate her. And this card, Judy, is unbelievable. So cute. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, that is it for me. And like I said, leave me a comment below about do you think I got my money's worth? And should I continue with the Anna Griffin mystery box? I might get one more and see how that one goes. So I feel like the price went down, so that's good. It was 50, so now it's 40, which I've never seen a price go down in a long time. I'm really excited about that. Anyway, all right, guys, take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.